Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to take a detailed look at one of the most stylish and exciting motorcycles from Royal Enfield, the Continental GT650. The Continental GT650 is a modern cafe racer that combines classic British-inspired styling with modern technology and a powerful twin-cylinder engine. Let's start with the engine. The Continental GT650 comes with a 648 cubic centimeter parallel twin 4-stroke engine with fuel injection and oil cooling. This engine produces around 47 bhp of maximum power and 52.3 nanometer of maximum torque. The engine is paired with a 6-SPED gearbox, offering smooth power delivery and strong performance, especially during highway riding. One of the biggest attractions of the GT650 is its twin-cylinder engine sound. It delivers a smooth and enjoyable riding experience while maintaining the classic Royal Enfield character. Now let's talk about the design. The Continental GT650 has a beautiful cafe racer design with a sporty and aggressive appearance. The sculpted fuel tank, low-set handlebar, rear-set foot controls, stylish seat, round headlamp and twin exhausts give this motorcycle a distinctive and premium look. The latest version also gets a modern LED headlamp while retaining the classic styling that makes the Continental GT special. The motorcycle also features updated switchgear and a USB charging port, adding useful modern convenience for everyday riding. Moving on to the suspension. At the front, the Continental GT650 gets telescopic front forks, while the rear uses twin gas-charged shock absorbers with preload adjustment. This setup provides a good balance between sporty handling and everyday riding comfort. Now let's look at the braking system. The bike gets a 320 MILLIMETRE front disc brake and a 240 MILLIMETRE rear disc brake. It also comes with dual-channel ABS, providing additional safety and braking confidence. Coming to the wheels and tires, the Continental GT650 uses an 1.8 INCH front wheel with a 100 by 90 tire and an 1.8 INCH rear wheel with a 130 by 70 tire. Depending on the variant, you can also get cast alloy wheels with tubeless tires. Now let's look at the dimensions. The Continental GT650 has a wheelbase of approximately 1398 mm with a ground clearance of around 174 mm. The fuel tank capacity is approximately 12.5 liters, while the curb weight is around 214 kilograms. The seat height is approximately 820 millimeters. When it comes to fuel efficiency, the claimed figure is around 27 kilometers per liter. However, real-world mileage can vary depending on traffic, riding style, road conditions, and how aggressively the motorcycle is ridden. Now let's talk about the colors. The Continental GT650 is available in several attractive color options, including Slipstream Blue, Apex Grey, Rocker Red, British Racing Green and Mr. Clean, depending on the variant. And of course, the pricing varies according to the color and variant. The current Continental GT650 starts at around 3.53 lakh rupees ex-showroom in India, while higher variants can go up to around 3.82 lakh rupees ex-showroom. The final on-road price will be higher because of registration, insurance and other charges, and it can vary from one city to another. So, who should consider buying the Continental GT650? If you are looking for a motorcycle with a classic cafe racer design, a powerful twin-cylinder engine, sporty handling and modern features, the Continental GT650 is definitely worth considering. It is especially attractive for riders who enjoy weekend rides, highway cruising and the unique character of a twin-cylinder Royal Enfield. However, the sporty riding position may not be ideal for everyone, especially if you are looking for maximum comfort during very long rides. Overall, the Royal Enfield Continental GT650 is an impressive combination of classic design, modern technology, and strong twin-cylinder performance. It looks beautiful, sounds fantastic, and delivers an exciting riding experience. So, what do you think about the new Royal Enfield Continental GT650? Would you buy this motorcycle? Let me know your opinion in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to Mumbai House for more motorcycle reviews, travel videos and family entertainment. Thank you for watching. Ride safe, ride responsibly, and keep riding.